Welcome to the jungle, let's explore. Learning the ABCs and so much more. A is for alligator splashing away. B is for bear who loves to play. C is for cat and it says meow. D is for dog barking loud right now. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Dancing through the jungle, 1, 2, 3. Learning letters, having fun. Come on kids, let's get it done. E is for elephant, stomping so loud. F is for frog, leaping off the ground. G is for giraffe, stretching so high. H is for hen, clucking nearby. I is for iguana, soaking up the sun. J is for jaguar, ready to run. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Dancing through the jungle, 1, 2, 3. Learning letters, having fun. Come on kids, let's get it done. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning the ABCs is such a treat. Roar like a lion, hop like a frog. Join the jungle and sing along. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lion, roaring all day. M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for nightingale, singing with the breeze. O is for owl, who says hoo-hoo. P is for parrot, talking to you. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Dancing through the jungle, 1, 2, 3. Learning letters, having fun. Come on kids, let's get it done. Q is for quail, so small and sweet. R is for rabbit with its hopping feet. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, sparkling bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, spouting in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, swimming with glee. Y is for yak with a furry coat. Z is for zebra, who loves to gloat. Thanks for singing, you've been so great. Don't forget to like, share,